Lesson: Legal considerations in recruitment. Legal considerations in recruitment are critical for HR leaders to ensure compliance, mitigate risk, and promote fair and equitable hiring practices. Professionals in this field must navigate a complex landscape of laws and regulations that vary across jurisdictions, involving issues such as discrimination, privacy, and contractual obligations. Understanding and applying these legal principles is essential for effective and lawful recruitment practices. A primary consideration in recruitment is the adherence to anti-discrimination laws, which aim to prevent unfair treatment of candidates based on characteristics such as race, gender, age, disability, or religion. In the United States, the Civil Rights Act of 1964 and the Americans with Disabilities Act are fundamental statutes that prohibit discriminatory practices in hiring. The European Union's Employment Equality Directive serves a similar purpose, mandating equal treatment in employment. HR leaders must design recruitment processes that are free from biased language and practices, ensuring that job descriptions, interview questions, and selection criteria are based solely on the candidate's qualifications and ability to perform job-related tasks. To implement unbiased recruitment practices, HR professionals can utilize structured interviews and standardized evaluation criteria. Structured interviews involve asking all candidates the same set of questions, focused on competencies and behaviors relevant to the position. This approach minimizes the influence of unconscious bias and ensures a fair comparison of candidates. Additionally, using a scoring rubric to evaluate candidates, responses can further standardize the assessment process. These tools not only aid in compliance with anti-discrimination laws, but also improve the overall quality of hiring decisions by focusing on job-related competencies. Another critical legal consideration is adherence to privacy laws concerning the handling of candidates' personal data. The General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union sets stringent requirements for data protection, impacting how organizations collect, store, and use candidate information. HR leaders must ensure that their recruitment processes comply with these regulations by implementing data protection policies, obtaining explicit consent from candidates for data processing, and ensuring secure storage of sensitive information. Failure to comply with privacy laws can result in significant fines and damage to an organization's reputation. Practical tools to ensure compliance with data protection regulations include privacy impact assessments and data audits. A PIA involves evaluating how personal data is collected, stored, and used during the recruitment process, identifying potential privacy risks, and implementing measures to mitigate them. Regular data audits help organizations maintain an accurate record of data processing activities and ensure ongoing compliance with privacy regulations. By adopting these tools, HR leaders can protect candidates' privacy while fostering trust and transparency in the recruitment process. Contractual obligations also play a significant role in recruitment, particularly in terms of employment offers and agreements. HR leaders must ensure that employment contracts clearly outline the terms and conditions of employment, including job responsibilities, compensation, benefits, and termination clauses. These contracts must comply with applicable labor laws to prevent potential disputes and litigation. Additionally, organizations should be aware of the legal implications of using non-compete and confidentiality agreements, which must be reasonable in scope and duration to be enforceable. To create legally compliant employment contracts, HR professionals can use contract management software that provides templates and guidelines aligned with current legal standards. This software can assist in drafting, reviewing, and managing contracts, ensuring that they meet legal requirements and reflect organizational policies. Furthermore, seeking legal counsel during the drafting process can help identify potential legal issues and ensure that contracts protect both the organization's and employees' interests. Real-world challenges in recruitment often involve navigating the complexities of international hiring. Multinational organizations must comply with the labor laws of each country in which they operate, which may have differing standards regarding employment contracts, work permits, and employee rights. For instance, hiring foreign nationals may require compliance with immigration laws, including obtaining work visas and ensuring that candidates meet eligibility criteria. HR leaders need to develop a comprehensive understanding of these requirements and establish processes to manage international hires effectively. Frameworks such as the International Labor Organization's guidelines on fair recruitment can provide valuable insights into managing international recruitment legally and ethically. These guidelines emphasize the importance of transparency, fairness, and respect for workers' rights throughout the recruitment process. By aligning their practices with these international standards, HR leaders can promote ethical recruitment and enhance their organization's reputation globally. Case studies highlight the importance of legal compliance in recruitment. For example, a major technology company faced a lawsuit for failing to comply with anti-discrimination laws in its hiring practices, resulting in substantial financial penalties and reputational damage. This case underscores the need for HR leaders to implement robust compliance frameworks and regularly review and update their recruitment processes to ensure adherence to legal requirements. Statistics further illustrate the impact of legal compliance on recruitment outcomes. Research shows that organizations with inclusive hiring practices are more likely to attract a diverse talent pool, leading to improved innovation and financial performance. This correlation highlights the business case for legal compliance in recruitment, beyond the avoidance of legal penalties. In conclusion, legal considerations in recruitment are multifaceted, encompassing anti-discrimination laws, privacy regulations, and contractual obligations. HR leaders must equip themselves with the knowledge and tools necessary to navigate these complexities and implement compliant recruitment practices. Structured interviews, privacy impact assessments, contract management software, and adherence to international guidelines are practical tools that can enhance compliance and promote ethical recruitment. By prioritizing legal compliance, organizations can mitigate risks, foster a diverse and inclusive workforce, and strengthen their employer brand in the competitive global market.